You don't need a business degree to start a business, but you do need a few non-negotiables. Because here's the truth. So many businesses start with a spark, an idea, a side hustle, a few jobs here and there, and suddenly you're in business. But behind the scenes, no structure, no systems, no separation between business and personal, and eventually that catches up with you. So today's episode is about the unsexy but essential stuff. Let's walk through the real steps to start a business properly. 1. Get an ABN and register a business name if needed. If you're trading under your own name, an ABN is enough. If you're using a business name, even if it's just on invoices or socials, register it through ASIC. Why does this all matter? It makes you legit and lets you open business bank accounts, register for GST, and get paid properly. 2. Separate your finances. Please don't use your personal bank account. Get a separate business account, even if you're a sole trader. Same goes for PayPal, Stripe, and any other payment tools. Why does it matter? It protects you at tax time, gives you clarity, and shows the ATO you're a serious business. 3. Think about structure, not just now, but for the future. Sole trader might work for now, but if you're growing fast or want asset protection, consider a company you trust. It's easier to start with the right structure than to untangle a mess later. Tip: talk to an advisor before you hit 80k income or bring on a partner. 4. Set up a system for your invoices and expenses. You can't improve what you can't track. Use software like Xero, or at least a spreadsheet, to log income, expenses, and GST. Why it matters? When the ATO comes knocking, and they will at some point, you need records, and it helps you know if your business is actually profitable, not just busy. 5. Know your tax obligations. Even as a solo business owner, you may need to pay income tax and maybe pay-as-you-go installments at some point. Register for GST if your turnover hits 75k. Keep records for 5 years. Why does it matter? Penalties hurt, and knowing this early can save you thousands. 6. Protect yourself with insurance and terms. Public liability, professional indemnity, business insurance. Plus, have a simple service agreement or terms and conditions. Why does it matter? It's not about fear, it's about protecting your time, your work, and your peace of mind. 7. Start as you mean to go on. Even if it's just now, act like the business you want to become. Build habits and systems from day one, not when you're drowning later. My final thoughts: most people think starting a business is just about getting your first client, but what sets you up for success is everything you do before and around that. The clarity, the structure, the decisions you make now that make your life easier later. You don't need to have it all figured out, but you do need to lay the right foundations. At HelloLedger, we help businesses and business owners start strong and grow with strategy, not just hustle. Because real businesses, they're built, not bought. Want help getting your business set up the right way? Visit helloledger.com.au or DM us to book a discovery call.